Thank you for dropping in and watching this video. I am Mike Black, the principal at Midnapore School.
Hi, I'm Hitesh Bardwaj, the assistant principal.
This video is to introduce you to the Mandarin program located at Midnapore School in Southeast Calgary. This program has been in existence since 2011 and serves much of the southern part of the city of Calgary. I hope you enjoy this video and find out a lot about the Mandarin program and some of the benefits it offers to your children.
The Mandarin Bilingual Program is a great program and has many benefits for native Mandarin speakers as well as non-Mandarin speakers. Thanks to everyone that put their hard work in this video, and we hope you enjoy.
The Mandarin Bilingual Program has been part of the Calgary Board of Education for over 20 years. Due to a keen interest in the south part of Calgary, the South Mandarin Bilingual Program was launched in 2011 at Midnapore School. In 2018, the grade 5, 6, and 7 students in the Mandarin Bilingual Program moved to Harold Panabaker. So at Midnapore School, our Mandarin Bilingual Program begins at the K level, kindergarten, and continues to grade 4. In the Mandarin Bilingual Program, all students here receive 50% of their instruction in Mandarin and 50% of their instruction in English. In grades kindergarten to grade 4, students receive Mandarin instruction in math, Mandarin language arts, and science, and then English instruction in English language arts, social studies, and health. Outcomes from the Alberta Education Program of Studies are followed. Students here learn to read and write in simplified Chinese and Pinyin. Both Chinese and Canadian holidays and festivals are recognized and celebrated. All students participate in daily physical education. When residencies like music, dance, or active living activities become part of our school, all students participate. After-school cultural activities will begin once the COVID restrictions are lifted.
For a minimal fee, students can participate in various programs such as martial arts, Chinese dance, or Chinese art class. This year, we are also very lucky to have a music specialist who can teach in both Chinese and English.
Hi everyone, my name is Ria Chi, and I'm a Mandarin bilingual teacher and learning leader at Midnapore School. I have been in the program for almost 8 years. This year, our program contains 7 teachers and 1 school assistant. The Mandarin bilingual team is passionate about the program and the opportunities that we can provide and offer to our students. We are committed to student success and well-being. Our mission is to help students achieve academic rigor in a compassionate and collaborative learning community. We have high expectations of our students. Students will be learning English and Mandarin simultaneously and demonstrate proficiency in both languages through cross-curricular activities, inquiry-based projects, and cultural celebrations. 大家好，我是齐老师，我在美南波小学教了快8年了。美南波小学中英文双语课程有7名教师和1位教学助理。我们的老师们都非常热爱这个项目。我们的教学宗旨是以学生们为中心，营造有爱和协作的学习环境，实现严谨教学。我们严格要求学生在中英文环境里通过跨学科教学活动、专题研究和文化庆祝活动学习2种语言。Thank you, and I hope you enjoy our video today.
The Mandarin Bilingual Program is designed for both native speakers and for students with no exposure to the language. Our kindergarten classes invite students to the bilingual learning environment. Students will develop their speaking and listening skills in both English and Mandarin. Students will be able to count, greet people, and share basic information about themselves in Mandarin. Students will also start to understand basic strokes, stroke orders, and learn how to write simplified Chinese characters. When students are in grade 1, they will start learning pinyin, tones, and basic sentence structures. Students will begin to read simple picture books and participate in guided writing activities. 我们的中英文双语课程既适合中文是母语的学生，也适合没有中文背景的学生。我们的起始课程从学前班开始，小朋友们用中文学习数字、日常用语和简单对话。升入1年级以后，学生们开始学习拼音、笔顺笔画、基本句型、阅读图画书和写字。
你好，你叫什么名字？
你好，我叫贝拉。
你几岁？
我6岁。
Midnapore School has a very strong school council. Our school council is made up of parents from both the regular program and the Mandarin Bilingual Program. Over the years, our school council has fundraised to support the school in many ways. For example, just recently, our school council has supported us in our Learning Commons makeover. The new furniture and open-ended layout was designed with our students in mind. The Learning Commons is an extension of the students' learning environment. It is a place for book exchanges, small group work, and even whole class lessons. School Council has also helped us with many projects, like the new playground built a couple years ago, and many in-school resources, including technology, math manipulatives, and guided reading books. The School Council has also provided students with various residency opportunities, like sound creation, which is a hip-hop dance program, Chinese art residency, and many more. We encourage all families to attend our monthly Midnapore School Council meetings. It's a great place to learn more about what's happening in your child's school.
As they grow and progress in the program, students will be able to read, write, speak, and understand in Mandarin a variety of topics such as family, food, seasons, clothing, and everyday activities. They will learn radicals and continue to improve their character writing. Starting in grade 2, students are beginning to read longer stories, build vocabulary, and explain their needs and understanding in Mandarin. By the time they finish grade 4, students are expected to demonstrate verbal confidence, initiate and respond to questions, and be able to independently read and write simple paragraphs. They have acquired essential skills to further develop fluency in Mandarin. Once they've completed grade 4 at Midnapore School, the students will move on to middle school at Harold Panabaker, where they will experience grades 5 to 9.
小猫的爸爸妈妈，这是小狗的爸爸妈妈，这是小羊的爸爸妈妈。
各位家长，大家好，我是陈老师。从2005年开始，我就在 CBE 的中英双语部教书。每天早上我来到学校，我看到每位孩子来自不同的背景，他们每个人都是小小的文化大使，也是中西方沟通的桥梁。他们不仅来学语言，同时也是将我们的中华文化与传统传承下去。读中英双语就好比你给孩子多一扇门，在现在国际化的世界里，他们多了一个机会和竞争的优势。孩子在这儿学习中西语言知识，还能传承中华文化。在中英双语部里面，孩子们读唐诗、学成语、听历史故事，这都是对父母的文化与价值观的认同。欢迎您和孩子加入我们的 Midnapore 中英双语这个大家庭，同时有机会也请您推荐给其他有兴趣的家长。感谢。
到胡子美照来说，从几天起，每天早上给你们3个果子，晚上给4个。猴子们听了多不高兴，大叫起来：“不行，不行，3个太少了。”
进入2、3年级，学生们继续提高中文听说读写4个技能。学生们开始学习偏旁部首，练习写字，增加词汇量和阅读能力。到4年级的时候，学生们能够用中文表达自己，提问并回答问题，阅读中文小故事，编写简单段落。 当学生们在美纳博小学完成4年级中英文双语课程之后，为进一步学习中文打下良好基础。学生们可以进入 Harold Panabaker 中学5年级到9年级继续学习中文。
Hi there, my name is Monica Lee. My son is in kindergarten this year at Midnapore School. I'm also part of the school council, and I'm here today to talk to you about why I chose the Mandarin program for my son. I grew up doing the Mandarin K-12 program, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I know there are many benefits of learning a second language. And I just wanted to give that opportunity to my son as well, because I know it's a different kind of brain exercise. It allows them to hopefully make some lifelong friends throughout the program as they progress. So the Mandarin language itself, it's amazing that Nicholas already knows how to count to like 20. I had zero expectations, but he's been able to name colors and talk about the strokes of the sounds. So what I love about the program so far, the communication with Google Classrooms has been amazing. Ms. Wong has been doing a great job emailing us weekly updates, and the pictures that we get on Google Classroom has been so priceless. And the activities they bring home, Nicholas brings home a green folder every day, and it has all his craft projects and all of the stuff that he's been practicing in school.
Each year, all CBE schools create a School Development Plan, or SDP, with input from teachers, school staff, students, and parents. We use many sources of data, such as report cards, school surveys, and teachers' notes and observations to create a plan that identifies and targets specific areas for growth. Our SDP isn't meant to represent all of the work that takes place in our school, but rather focuses on specific areas for improvement. This year, Midnapore School has focused on 2 main areas through our SDP. The first has been a focus on increasing students' ability to understand and use content area vocabulary during classroom learning environments, including small group and individual instruction. Staff have been intentionally designing lessons and activities that focus on building content area vocabulary while engaging in targeted small groups to support students' reading skills. Students have worked hard to become Midnapore word collectors and readers. Our second area of focus this year has been developing students' number sense. Specifically, staff has been engaging students in lessons and activities that meet the individual needs of each student and allow them to build on their already existing mathematical constructs. Our regular program and Mandarin Bilingual Program teachers use our school SDP goals to guide their lesson planning. Alright, now that you know more about the 2 amazing programs at Midnapore School, it's time to register. Please visit the registration page of our school website and click on the How to Register button for more details. If you have any questions, please call or email Ms. Sorgi. She will gladly help you out. We will also like to invite you to attend our Midnapore School virtual information session on Thursday, January 13th at 7 p.m. You can find the virtual link on the website. We look forward to meeting you and your child.